City leaders tell us that some of these residents in these flooding areas tried to wait out the heavy rain, and that is what had to have these first responders come and do some of these rescues.
We did have to go in and get several families out.
First responders were calling this Wednesday morning.
We had people in this house. We had 2 individuals in the house further down, and across over here we had about 4 individuals in another house, and we had 3 in the house right here.
City officials say some households hesitated to leave their homes.
They were going to try to wait it out, but it looked as though it was, it wasn't going to get any better, recede anytime soon.
Drivers attempting to navigate through high waters also creates problems, towing included.
When they built these apartments, they put this slope in for people to drive in and out of. Whatever they did, it causes the rain to stand up really deep whenever we get a good rain, and people end up driving in it and getting stuck, and it ruins their car, and it costs them all kind of money.
Canton alerts residents that the multipurpose center is open, preparing for more rain throughout the week. Soundbite. Along with the multipurpose center, Canton leaders say that they also have other areas in the city, like churches, that can be available to open if needed. Live in Canton, Grayson Gordon, 16 WAPT News.